Hello, good day, fellow students. My name is Aluko Akinolu Emmanuel, and this is my final design project. It's a tree preservation project, tree planting project, and tree planting project is all about preserving the trees and restoring the trees also too as they are being cut. It talks about what is going on actually in the whole world right now as people are cutting down trees and not replacing them, which is leading to afforestation. And as we all know that having trees helps us absorb a lot of carbon dioxide, and it also gives um, the environment a wonderful scenery. Right, the site is divided into it has 4 pages, and on the first page it talks about being a tree hero and what is expected of each and every one of us. Then under it having a subtopic, a section which talks about what is afforestation, then who we are actually, and we all know our group as the Tree Planting Project, which is a non-profit and non-government, non-political, and a volunteer-based advocacy organization, which is keyed into the thematic areas of tree planting and revegetation for food security and sustainable livelihood. And we have under the section also to plant a tree program. What is expected of us to work in planting a tree, and how can community, as a community, how can we join hands together in planting trees? Um, Moving down, how can I participate in the program? Help us to attach to it. It's a video, and the video talks so much about Earth Day, and we have a gallery. Then it also has a page which is how can we do fundraising for what for the tree project. And also under it, we under one of the pages we have the services. What are the services that are rendered? And it has a video in it also too. And why trees actually? Why is tree important in what in our society? The main design I decided to use a yellow, a creamish background, and and images for the project as it talks so much about tree building. And the most important, the things that are that happens to me, what I learned in this project, it helped me to understand the importance of having trees in our area and also how it benefits the whole society. And the most difficult part of this project or of this design is my CSS, which sometimes would not work, and it was taking time, but I had to persist and do it to the best I could. Thank you very much.